Hi everyone, hope you are doing good today. So today I'm going to walk you through a very good website which is called Distrochooser. So basically it helps us to choose Linux distribution which we want to use. It has these many sets of questions it will ask you, and according to your responses it will list down the Linux distros which you can use, or it can be better for you. So basically, you can always skip a question. So these are the option. You are receive additional information using the question mark. So these are the different options. The website name is this one, distrochooser.de. Okay, so let's start the test. I'll walk you through this. So some distribution are made for special purpose. Sorry, it's actually I just refreshed it, so just wait for a second. It will be yeah. So let's start the test now. Some distribution are made for a special purpose, some for daily uses. What do you need? I want distribution for daily use. That's fine. I want user to anonymous web browsing, not required for me. Prefer distribution with support by game publisher. I don't think I will need this. I want to so whichever options fits for you, you can choose those. I want to execute all program in isolated area. I don't need for this. So suppose if you want to test some software in a isolated environment, you can choose this option. Okay, I'll leave it for now. The user is visually impaired. I don't need it for now. Has so if a user is specially abled and has issue in seeing, so they can select this. So it will list down the distro which has the help for visually impaired people. Has live mode, can be started using disk or USB to test it out before installing. Okay, so basically I'll use this because I just want to see the how it looks before I install it on my hardware or system. So I'll choose this. Let's proceed next. Okay, some distance. Okay, proceed. Something is not working. Just wait. I'll refresh this. Just give me 1 second. Something has happened. Actually, I think I have already given the test, so maybe that's why it's not working. Just I mean, it has become slower. So I'll pause this video for now. Okay, so for better performance, what I have done, I have open Chrome in incognito mode. So let's start another browser. Okay, I'll use Firefox for this for now. Let's see. So this is distro.chooser.de. Okay, so let's start the test. This one and this one I had selected. Proceed. How would you rate your proficiency? I can troubleshoot most of the computer problem myself. I'll choose this. So any one of these options you can select. Next. So actually this shows like how good you are in Linux. So suppose if you are not very like you are a beginner, you can choose this. I often need to help other, so this one you can choose. Okay, so I have been using it for longer, so I can like I think I'm able to debug and do troubleshooting, so that's why I'm choosing this. Next, how would you rate your knowledge in Linux? So you can, so if you are a beginner, you can choose this. If you are advanced user, you can choose this. Or if you are intermediate user, you can choose this. So what I'll do, I'll choose second option, proceed. How many settings do you wish to act yourself during installation? How many configuration variables should be filled with the value? I want to use default presets. I want to choose setting by myself. I want to configure no. So this one is not, because there are some Linux distributions where you have to do everything. Like if you are very pro in Linux, then only you can do installation and do things. So better I'll keep these two. So next, proceed. It's important to know how old computer or hardware some distribution won't run on. Okay, so this will tell you that you if your system is like older or newer system. So since I have a good desktop, so I'll choose this. If you have a old system which is only support 32-bit, you can select this one. But most of the recent desktop or laptops support 64-bit, so you can choose this one. Some distribution prefer article or wiki troubleshooting. What do you prefer? I am able to solve my problem using guide and Wikipedia. Any one of will do. You can choose accordingly. Proceed. Linux can use lot different. So these are the different. So this is like I'm like Mac type. Mac type interface where you will have icons on desktop and like if you have used Mac, there will be different. So in this one will be window type. So a start menu will be there and it will be like that. So whichever you want, you can choose this one. Okay, so I just choose this one for now. Proceed. Most anyhow, even if you choose this one, you can change to this one by installing different desktop into like Genome or different desktop options are there. You can install this. So I'll choose this one for now. Most distribution are free. Some distribution offer additional support for one-time fee. I prefer free one. If you like have serious requirement and if you want your distro to be very stable and support from the developers, you can you can choose this. I'll choose this for now. Proceed. Different distribution pre-install software, amount of software. Some install compute suite basic. Okay, I prefer distribution. Shipping all basic program need start working immediately after installation. I'll choose this. Okay, and if you choose this, if you need a clean, small distro which do not have blotted like bloatwares or many applications, you can choose this. Like, suppose if you want your distro to work as a Linux server, you can choose this one. So it will not install much of the program. So since I want to see the how the I use at a desktop software as a PC, so I'll choose this. So basic programs will be installed, and if I need anything, I can go to App Center and install it. So it's matter of your choice. Whichever you want to choose, you can choose. So like one thing I can advise, like if you want to use the distro as server, better to choose this one. And if you want to use as a desktop machine, you can choose first one. Proceed. The license ideology of distribution. Basically, I want free license. Okay. If you want that distribution to be serious and secure, you can go for this and buy some license. Like we have RHEL where we get support from RHEL or IBM. So if you want that one, you can choose this. If you want just for desktop, you can choose this one. So everything will be free. So license will be free. Some distributions using online services improve. I don't want this. So it's fine if you don't do something which is very safe and secure, you can choose this. So basically, the things will be like feedbacks in an anonymous way. Your working experience will be shared with the developer so that they can make the distro better. If you don't want it to share, you can choose this. So but nothing will be shared to the developer or the people who have built this distro. So for now, I'll keep this. And there are many ways to administer Linux install software. I want to install my using App Center. That's I want. I want to install software mostly with terminal commands. I also want one option. Okay, proceed. Some distribution offer faster updates. So if you have faster updates, you will be more updated and more recent one, but it will be less stable. If you prefer stable update, means your system will be bit tested and long term support and it will be a bit stable, but it can be a bit outdated. But if you choose this, you can update yourself whenever there is a need. So I'll choose this one, stable one. Get result. So this will give me the list of distribution which I can choose from. Okay. and you can share this result with anyone. Okay, so first option it has given me day one. So it's Debian based clone without using the systemd toolkit, scope, preferential. These are the different features it is showing me. Then it has given me OpenSUSE, Rocky Linux, Debian, Fedora, Nopix, Red Hat, Pop OS, MX Linux, Deepin, Zorin. Basically, it has given me lot many options. So any one of these, if you want to install, and it has also given me the plus or minus of that. Okay, so you can go through the list once you complete this questionnaire. You can go through the list, and whichever you like, you can go and download it and install it. So this is all about this website, Distrochooser. Hope you will like this website, and so it was useful, and I thought of sharing with you. So hope you like this video. So please do like, subscribe, comment, share your thoughts here. If you like my video, please do comment. If you don't like anything, please let me know. I'll try to make it better. If you want a video on anything else, you can just comment in the comment section. I'll try to make on that also, be it any technology or distribution or software. I'll try to make this. So this is all about it. So thanks for watching. Have a great time ahead. Bye bye. Take care.